how to enable healing reticle feedback to see who you're healing in Marvel Rivals. If you're playing Marvel Rivals and want to know exactly who you're healing in the middle of your gameplay, I've got a quick tip for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the healing reticle feedback so you can easily see who you're healing during battle. So let's get into it. First, launch Marvel Rivals and make sure you're logged into your account and in the game. Once you're in the game, head over to the settings. You can find this by tapping on your profile icon or the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the gameplay or HUD settings. This is where you'll find options related to how information is displayed during gameplay. Now look for the option labeled Healing Reticle Feedback. This setting shows you a visual indicator of who you're healing with the reticle on the character. Once you find this, simply toggle the setting on. This will allow you to see exactly who you're healing with the target indicator during your matches. After you've enabled the healing feedback, make sure to save your settings, then exit the menu. And that's it. You've successfully enabled healing reticle feedback in Marvel Rivals.